In June 2021, Vexels relaunched their website. You can get thousands of high-quality professional images on Vexels. These images are perfect for t-shirts, coffee mugs, apparel, and high-end prints. Basically anything print-on-demand related. I was proud to partner with Vexels, and we had a contest recently where people could purchase a subscription and then one lucky winner would get their subscription refunded. I'm happy to announce the winner of the contest who received a free lifetime subscription worth over $500 US. I reached out to the winner and they were totally okay with me sharing this information. The happy winner is Julie from Portland, Oregon. Now, how cool is that? Julie is starting up an Etsy shop and it's located right here. The name of the store is Sunflower Winks and it's on Etsy. You can actually follow the store and you could see her listings and you can follow along her print-on-demand journey if you're interested in seeing how a new store grows over time. Congratulations, Julie. I hope that the Vexels subscription will be a valuable tool as you grow your Etsy and print-on-demand business. Now, if you're interested in learning more about Vexels, you can click the link below. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link, and that means that if you click on the link and purchase a subscription, I would receive a small commission. I think Vexels is a great site. They feature high-end graphics, editable designs, and even a t-shirt maker that allows you to fill in text and make your graphics. There's a ton of great resources on Vexels, and if you're interested in taking your print-on-demand journey to the next level, check them out. The link is in the video description below. A big congratulations, Julie. Best wishes on your business, and thank you to everyone who entered the contest. Have a great day, everyone.